Welcome back, everyone. On the lathe here I have a log I just pulled off the fire pit. Didn't burn down the other night, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my attempt at a emerging vase. Stick around, see how I do. Alright, let's get this on, get a tenor on this as soon as possible.
Today I'm using carbide tools, so this should be a fun project. I always use a cloth if you're gonna knock out a drive spur.
Let's see how nasty this thing is gonna be.
There was quite a bit of, I guess charcoal or whatever you want to call it that came off, but yeah, once you get past it, it was not so bad. Alright, I'm gonna start working on the shape that I want to try to make. So let's see how this goes. Just look at this wood, it's just tearing it up, man. As I'm trying to find my little groove to go here with the carbide, and the right one kind of works out pretty nice for me. Doesn't do so much tearing, but it's going.
I'm going way too rough on this, I know. This could turn out to be a nice one. Let's slow down. Alright, let's see what happens. Slow down, Dana.
Now, after that nice little reminder, I did slow down a little bit. The cutting started coming a little nicer, so let's see how it continues.
She got a lot of dryness, a lot of crack. I mean, she ain't gonna split it anymore.
Saying that's gonna come back and haunt me.
She's hard as hell. Carbide is
Yeah, as things get going easier on the cutting, the wood would be so dry that if you just didn't hit it right, it would just catch bad and chip a piece off. Or like this, flies off the...
That was just a matter of time.
Alright, at this point it's getting hot, and I'm getting frustrated with these carbide tools. Now that break off right there, I did not expect. What I'm deciding to do is see if I can round it off. Even if it's smaller, I can probably get something. And then that happens.
Alright. I'm done for today.
Yeah, I was pretty much done at that point. I just blew off the table a little bit and packed up and went on. So, see you next video.